The Lord is my light, my salvation, my song. Why should I fear when you make me strong? When darkness rises, you draw me near. My heart won't tremble, I will not fear. Enemies fall, they stumble and fade. You are my shelter, the ground I've made. One thing I seek, one thing I crave, to dwell in your house all my days. Whom shall I fear? Whom shall I fear? You're my light, my salvation is near. Even in night, your glory appears. Whom shall I fear? Whom shall I fear? You're my salvation's When I am weak, you lift me again. You hide me safe in your dwelling place. Upon a rock, you set my feet. My head is high, my song repeats. I'll sing to you with joy, I'll shout. Though armies rise, I'll never doubt. Your face I seek, my heart won't fade. Teach me your way, my path you made. Whom shall I fear? Whom shall I fear? Whom shall I fear? You're my light, my salvation is near. Even in night, your glory appears. Whom shall I fear? Whom shall I fear? Whom shall I fear? You're my light, my salvation is near. Even in night, your glory appears. I would have lost heart, I would have lost heart, if not for your goodness, right from the start. I will see goodness in the land of the living. Wait for the Lord, His mercy on